I've been a die-hard Mac user for years, but lately I've been wondering if my Xbox could really replace my laptop. So join me as I push my Xbox to its limits and test out both its work and play benefits. The Xbox Series S is no normal console because of its extensive ports, optimized software, and the ability to open and use a browser could make it a worthy competitor to my $1,600 MacBook Pro. With every challenge like this one, we need a set of rules. So rule number 1, I cannot use my MacBook for anything whatsoever except recording the screen from my Xbox and importing files into Google Drive. Rule number 2, I have to last 7 days with the Xbox. So how is this actually going to work? I can't possibly write scripts, edit videos, do homework and entertain myself with just a controller. So I'm going to be using the most popular accessory for the Xbox, the keyboard and mouse. So I have this cheap keyboard here that I'm going to be using, and it should be enough for the task at hand. And I have a few real life implication goals that could help make this video more interesting. And stick around to the end of the video to find out what these goals are and whether I completed them. So it's day 4. So you might be wondering what happened on day 1, 2 and 3. Well, day 1 I'd gone to the Mission Impossible movie. And day 2 and 3, well, I was lazy, so I just played video game and studied with my books. So I didn't really touch my Xbox for work, I guess. So now we're in day 4. And today we're going to be doing some homework. That's the first goal. So that's homework done. And I want to complete a few more goals today, so let's move on to the next one. So the next challenge is to confess. Yes, I've been using my Mac ever since day 3, and so I failed the challenge. But the Xbox did manage to do homework and run some tabs, but it wasn't the greatest at it, and I really needed my Mac to upload stuff to the Xbox, so I guess you can't really use an Xbox instead of your computer. So that's what we're going to be concluding from this video. Thank you.